What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got this SmartMi VortexWave robot vacuum cleaner. We're gonna go ahead, gonna get this thing unboxed and see what we got in here. All right, we're gonna tip this down here. Let me show you the back of the box. Here's the back of the box here. It gives you a nice picture of kind of what's going on underneath. Beautiful imagery there. Okay, so let's tip this down. I'm gonna open this up. All right, so inside we've got the quick start guide. We've also got, looks like part of the base there. So we got a quick start guide here. Yeah, that is part of the base, installing the base, filling with water, so on and so forth. Okay, so like I said, this is part of the base. Okay, here we have tank cover for dry cleaning. Okay, this looks like an additional filter. Got a power cord here. Underneath here is the SmartMi unit. So the cool thing about this is it does both cleaning of the floor and vacuuming. So we're definitely going to be able to test this out to see how good of a job it does. There you have it right there. So here's the base right here. All right, this is looking like a well-built product so far. Nice sturdy quality. All right, so the power cord goes inside of here. Plug it in here. Pretty neat. There's a channel inside that you can tuck away the remainder of the wire that you're not using. And then once you get it set in place, you can put your little cover here on there. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, so you've got your base. Okay. Here's the unit. Again, you can see these are the charging ports right here. Back up in place. So far it's looking pretty good. Okay, so inside here we do have the actual tank.
The tank or tank cover has been removed. The tank or tank cover has been reinstalled.
Okay, so again, quick start guide. And we'll have to go in here and download the app for this particular product. So that, folks, is the SmartMi VortexWave robot vacuum cleaner. Again, the cool thing about this is it does both wet mopping and also vacuuming at the same time. So we'll definitely have some videos demoing this product, but that is the unboxing of this particular unit. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.